Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan QR codes on Microsoft Surface Pro 5. Scanning QR codes is pretty easy. You just need to open the camera app, so I'm gonna just search for it here. Then when you open the camera app, make sure that by clicking on this button you are switched to the main camera. Then from these modes here you can select scan QR code, and now when it's set to that, I'm gonna put my QR code in here and then scan it with my device, and here it shows the link from the QR code. I can click on that and it will get me to the website from the link. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.